In this video, I'll show you how to highlight something in your video using a red circle in Premiere Pro. I've already added my bird video to the timeline, and I want to draw attention to the bird right in the middle of the frame. To start, click and hold the rectangle tool, then choose the ellipse tool from the drop-down. Now drag in the preview window to draw a circle over the bird. Once it's created, switch to the selection tool so you can reposition the circle and resize it using the corner handles until it fits nicely around your subject. Next, open the Properties panel by going to Window and click on Properties. In the settings, turn off the fill, enable the stroke, and change the stroke color to red so it stands out clearly on the video. You can also drag the stroke width slider to the right to make the circle thicker and more visible. Finally, I like to fade the circle in and out to make it look more natural. So with the playhead at the start of the circle clip, press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac to apply a cross dissolve to both ends. Now the red circle smoothly fades in and out while drawing attention to the bird. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.